Hello there. Today you're going to learn how to change cabin filter or pollen filter in Skoda Octavia 3. The fastest and easiest way. What you need? You will need one of those and your filter. So what you need to do? Open this side. So grab it here and you need to pull up one side and another side. And when you're done here, took your screwdriver and push here. There is this pullback mechanism. So where is your filter? Filter is here. Take a screwdriver, put it here inside, that's one, two, and third one. Take your pollen filter outside. This is the old one, throw it away. Take the new one and put it inside. Put back the cover. Just press on it and that's done. You changed your air filter. But now it's coming the little bit difficult part, how to give back this door here. So that's a little bit of problem. So watch till the end to figure it out how to do it. Take this sliding mechanism, put it inside on the place where it is going. Take the door, put it up, place on So that's the first thing what you need to do. Now coming the difficult part. You need to put this in place. So how to do it? Remove this cover from here. You also need a flat screwdriver and start from the top, so you will not damage your cover. Just pull it out easily. Okay, now we have this hole here. What is important for us, you see this here. So from this side here, place on, pull out the sliding mechanism, place it on place where it needs to go, and just from this side press on it. So it's locked. Let's try it. Working perfectly. return this side. Here, watch on it. Put it down and just press on it. So you are done. In 5 minutes you have changed your air filter.